Hi guys, welcome back. So, thought I'd do a little video. I've not done one in a while on what you can plant in, it's now December. So, we're still sowing stuff direct into the ground here in Spain. It depends on whereabouts you live in Spain. Obviously where we are, we're in the Vega area, which is like its own little microclimate. So it don't get too cold here. Saying that, no, I'm starting to put big coats on. But for me it's getting cold, but for plants it's not. So some of the things that we're still sowing at the moment is radishes. We're sowing radishes every 2 weeks at the minute. We've got this row here which is about 2 weeks old. We've got them down there which are about 4 weeks old. We're just about to put 2 more rows in, so every 2 weeks we're trying to sow them. The other thing as well is carrots. Now we've never had much luck with carrots here. It's mainly because of the way we irrigate. The ground gets too wet, but we did do it in raised beds one year, and they worked really well. So I think the plan is over the next couple of weeks try and build some raised beds, fill them up with a sandy soil, and then hopefully the carrots will take really well in that, and the roots will be able to get down because the soil's a bit more sandier. The other thing that we're getting in, garlic. So it's still time to get your garlic in as well. There's a lot that we can still plant. Plant starts wise, we're putting in cabbages, cauliflower, more broccoli, chard. So yeah, we've got all that sort of stuff going in as well. So yeah, there's quite a lot that you can get in at the moment. We're also going to be starting to kit our potatoes for planting out on New Year's Eve. We always plant our potatoes New Year's Eve here. We either plant them out in September or we plant them out on New Year's Eve. So one of the other things that you can get in now, even if you don't like to eat them, cardoons. So cardoons, you can eat the leaves. Well, it's actually the stem that you eat. But if you don't like them, put them in because they're a great pollinator for the spring. If I can find the video, I'll actually pop it up on screen now. Of last year, they grow to about 6 foot tall and they come out in big purple flowers, right? And the bees absolutely love them. So yeah, if you can get hold of some cardoons, get them in the ground. These ones are about 2 years old now. We've just planted some more because we've extended this area, so we've just literally gone out and got some plant starts and put some more in last week. So yeah, that's another thing that you can get in as well right now. Things that you can get in as well is chard. Now this is chard that was self-sown that we've actually moved and put here, so it's not looking too great at the minute, but it is starting to come back to life. It's starting to send out new shoots. So yeah, if you've got some chard and it's not where you want it, you can actually just trim it off, dig it up, transplant it, and it will come back. It'll look a bit beaten and battered for a few weeks, but it will come back, and it'll come back really nice. Beetroot, that's another thing as well that you can get in. We sow these in trays and then we plant them out. You could direct sow them. It's just with us here, it's been a bit too warm. The tops have been drying, the top of the soil's been drying out too quickly, so it's not giving it a chance to germinate. But yeah, you can direct sow them at the moment as well out here. So something else that you can get in as well at the moment is onions. Now these onions have been in about 6 to 8 weeks, but you can still plant onions out. Go down to your local market, you should be able to pick up plant starts. A lot of markets now have a stall on there that do plant starts. Go down, get your onions, get them in. They probably won't do very much until sort of January time, but they're in the ground, they're getting the roots there, they're getting ready to grow, and then all of a sudden they'll just go, and by March, end of February, beginning of March, you'll probably be picking your first onions. So we'll probably be harvesting these end of January time. But yeah, as you can see, they're growing really well. Right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video. It's just a little video of what you can plant this time of year. I'm going to get on with planting some radishes. Also, I want to get some weeding done. Yeah, and then over the next week or so, I'll just be cracking on, clearing any space that we've got left, getting some stuff in the ground. We planted some kale the other week. It's not doing too great, but I think that's because of the area it's planted in. So, but yeah, apart from that, everything else is looking nice and lush and colourful and looking great. So, yeah, it's starting to look a bit more like my farm again. So, guys, if you enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe. Also, let me know what you thought of the last video. The silent video. If you've not seen it, I'll leave a link on the screen now. No, go over and check it out. See you later, guys.